Euro against US dollar this week dropped in value. We can see the price continue to fall down even more, going below 1.0846. We can see the week started with this bearish candle touching the support and bouncing back up. But then the selling pressure was even higher, and then the price continued to rise, to fall down in value, where the price in 2 days after that, on a Wednesday, the price formed a bearish breakout. We can see that Thursday, the price tried to return back up, but just confirmed the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and the price continued to fall down even more, where only on Friday the price returned slightly back up. Weekly time frame shows me a bearish candle again, and it is continuation of the previous week bearish, where I have shared the details inside previous week analysis that it is expected that the price will continue to fall down even more, reaching 1.08846. Now we can see this weekly time frame has also made a weekly candle has formed a bearish breakout below this support level, going even further down, almost reaching 1.07825 as support level. Monthly time frame shows us currently a bearish candle, no changes since the last week, because the price is going even further down, and we have 2 more weeks until this month close, so everything's still open. I will not make any conclusions right now, but we can see that 1.07825 is the next target as it looks right now, especially this one here around, just a minute, 1.084 and 1.082 price level. This is expected during this month that the price will reach, and this one on the weekly time frame is also visible, especially because we have a bearish breakout below 1.08846. This is the support level. It's heading down to 1.07825 is the next target for the weekly time frame, and the next week the price should not return back above, because this will be invalidation of this bearish breakout. But if that happens, I'm expecting first the price to reach this area, 1.07825. The daily time frame shows me also a bearish breakout below 1.08846. This is the one here. It is validated with the next candle, which means there is a high selling pressure, and I am expecting that the price will continue to fall down. The Friday candle, this one as a bullish one, is just all the traders that have been selling this pair. Some of them have been going out, locking their profits before the weekend, so this has been triggered a little bit back, a retrace back up. But next week I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area, the support 1.07825, so this is the next target. Every day inside the trading community, I also share the details every day what is expected based on the daily analysis and also the candle formation. So if you would like, you can also check inside the description. You will have a link to the trading community. Feel free to join anytime, and you can also share your thoughts about the next week movements. What do you expect? Do you expect also that 1.07825 will reach this support level, or it will return back up, going above, making a bullish breakout above 1.08846? This is something that we can also discuss, but share your thoughts. What do you think about this strong selling pressure? Will it continue to fall down even more, or this will be a turning point to return back up? That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.